What's up guys, this is me Vikram and today we are going to be unboxing Today we are going to be unboxing this guy. So guys, let's unbox this big boy. Actually, unboxing this, there are lots of wrappers to tear. And I'm going to do it. Maybe I think I should fast forward it in the editing. We'll see how much time it takes. Just a bit of information if you are thinking, why the watch? Just to see the time. Yeah, one more thing. Sometimes the simplest answers might be the correct ones. So try to figure it out. Back to business. So after taking out the normal wrappers, there is a hard shell wrapper which is like harder and harder. But the thing is, they are doing all this for our computer's protection. So worth unwrapping it or unboxing it. So I think it's going to be this way. So let's unbox and give it a first look. Oh, there's a package inside this packaging. That's a question here. I think this packaging is done by Amazon and the inner one is the company's packaging. Let's see. Oh. But safety is must. Kids doing this at home, please do wear gloves. And ask an editor to help you with the knife one. Yeah, talking about kids, I'm also a kid, but experienced kid. You see the packaging? I hit my knees hard on the table. The Lenova Ideacenter. Put it onto the place. I'm a bit taller, so let's keep it this way or something. Yes, so that you can see both me and the product. Yep. So let's see how it works. So again, taking our butter knife, we're going to be cutting this Lenova tag softer because the computer is in here somewhere. So we're going to be careful. Got it cut. Now let's make this into the sand thing, everything. And you guys would want to see what I'm doing, right? So let's move this way. Yep, I think you guys got what you wanted to view, right? Am I right? It's finally here. We'll see it from the other direction. So the actual unboxing is now up. Yes. I guess we have come close to the packaging. So we have one unit over here. I think that's the keyboard and stuff. Let's see through those details later. We keep that aside. And then we have another unit over here. If you can see this one. I guess this is the power cable thing, something like that going on. And finally comes my dream, actually, to say. So we have this guy here. So yeah, so I have an idea to take this out because this is big, too big than I expected. So this is an 23 or I guess we talk about the specs later, but I think this is a bigger desktop. So I did have ideas. Guys, I don't have the first look. You guys have the first look. Do you have a look? Oh, sorry, no. So what we're going to do is take these covers out and take the monitor, the desktop on hand and keep it. Yep, so we've got the desktop here. So we're going to take these parts apart and see how it looks in person. So the first look of the desktop, I wanted you guys to see it, not me. So yep, we're going to get the first look of the desktop. Sorry, the monitor. Sorry, the desktop this time. I guess I'm making a long move. So I think you guys got some idea. So can we take it? I do here. Yes, we have taken it for the first time. How does this display? Oh, it's a no glass screen. Awesome. That's really epic about this thing. Because now, working from home, we actually need some good screens to protect our eyes, and no glass screen is one of them. Because you can see there's a lot of light over here in this room, but the screen does not even glare. That's the specialty of it. Again, here we come. So as the next move, we have to start the computer. So let's start it. So as we saw at first, this box, I guess it was a power bar. Yeah, it was what I guessed. It is the power cable for the monitor computer. So, and these are some cable management ties, and these are going to help us a lot. So first, some instructions. Like not some big instructions, but instructions. So remove this tape if your distance from the computer and this thing is long. Mine is not too long, but long. So then remove these, and these are two connectors actually. So this thing you got to connect. Yeah, this pin has to be connected to this port. So let's connect it. So here you can see these two ports. So we have to connect it. Got it connected, and then we have to connect it to the monitor to be, the desktop to be powered on. So I'm going to connect it in a plug over here that is beneath my table. So connected, and then I have a cable management hole. So I'm going to take the cable from out there. Got it. So then, if you can see, we have ports, some good ports, like you can see, guys. They are ports. So this is the power port. This is the Ethernet port. It's really good to see Ethernets in the work from home conditions. And then this is an HDMI port in case you want to screen share something. And these are some USB-A ports. That's some good ports. So now, I don't know where's the power button. Anybody? If you know, please let me. Yeah, I see it on this side. Oh, it turns on automatically. That's a good one. Guys, you missed it. I saw the Lenova thing coming on. We saw this packaging, and I guessed it was for mouse and keyboard, and likewise these are for mouse and keyboards. So let's see in more detail about these guys, these bad boys over here. The mouse and the keyboard. Okay, so opening it, we have an wireless mouse over here. That's cool. They've given wireless mouse and keyboard. I guess both must be wireless. So we have some opening things going on over here. So we are going to be taking our unboxing knife. Oh damn, this is too hard to cut. Again, children, if you're watching, please ask your parents to help with you cutting it. Yeah, you don't have to have super strength to open this, but yeah. back to business. The keyboard is cool. It's really cool. A big one. And as you saw, here's the mouse. Again, a taping. We have to go through that one, I guess. Yes, that was not that hard. The mouse and they've given the batteries. That's cool. Like most of the computers nowadays do give batteries. But yeah, back to business again. These are the Lenova mouse and they have a top opening battery panel. So we might have to take the batteries now, which are located this side. And again, some problems. Serious problems. Okay, problems gone over. Got them. Oh, again some battery covers. That's nice. But not too nice for some unboxers like me. Because it's on DOS. I let you guys know when I open it. So yeah. We've got the batteries, we've got the mouse, and let's put it on them. Yep. It's done. Oh, we can see the Bluetooth pin for both the mouse and the thing is stuck to the magnets on the mouse pad. So there's an on off button. Let's keep this aside. Let's take the keyboard. Again, throw these guys off, and we have